Tesla Model X finally completed. As far as doing the friggin' hitch on the front, like it has PPF on it. Y'all ain't ready for this. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Nero over at Automotion. Thank you again for all the love and support you guys have been giving us. Without you guys, we wouldn't be giving you guys all this content. We're gonna be showing you a lot of stuff in this vlog. We got a brand new F250, brand new Model X that got full body PPF on both of them with a bunch of extras. We have a Porsche Panamera that we did. We did another full wrap on a Model X. Stay tuned for all this content. Keep liking, keep subscribing. Let's get it, baby. Guys, we got this Tesla Model X pretty much nearing the finished product. Right now, the guys are doing the stars in the ceiling. We're doing the ambient lighting package all the way around, actually replacing the factory trim, which is pretty cool. And it has like this color chasing mode in it. You'll see in the video once it's done. The full body PPF is already complete. The tints are gonna be done last. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, we're ceramic coating it. I have to double check. But the car is almost done.
The first time? I feel like...
So ambient lighting on this, I haven't done one yet. This is the first time we're doing it, but it's pretty cool because the actual trim gets completely replaced and it goes through. So there's no strip. It's actually built into the actual replacement trim inside, which is really, really cool. And then this one we're doing, I think it's 1,400 stars? 1,300? 1,600 stars, or even more. So 1,600. And the last one we did for the same customer, we were pretty much the first ones to do the doors, I think, right? So that one, we had twinkle in the middle, but no twinkle in the doors, because as you see, like a motorized door, even having fiber optics was already like insane to do, which my guys are the goats, so that's why they got it done. So now, this time, we're actually gonna get the doors to have twinkle too. So it's gonna be super, super dope once it's done.
These back doors.
Yeah, the back doors, and then the whole inside center, everything gets stars, but last time the doors couldn't do twinkle. So now they will twinkle as well. And then even on the ambient lighting package, the back of the actual backrest of the seats get it done too. So it's gonna look super cool. I'll give you that like Maybach feel, you know?
In a Tesla.
In a Tesla. That's gonna be really, really dope. You guys are working their magic. Don't burn the car down, eh? You know Teslas, bro. It'll do it on its own. Shit, Elon is probably gonna watch this one day, eh? When we get to a couple million subscribers. The F250, is this gonna go off? No, should be good. So yeah, no, I'll show you the finished product on this, but this thing was a lot of work, man. A lot of work. Full body PPF, tints all the way around, windshield PPF just got done. So that's gonna cure. We're gonna wash it, do the final wash. The full security system, we did.
Like an advanced security, like
advanced. No. We did a mobilizer, tracking system, tilt sensor, glass sensor, like a bunch of stuff. Extended like two-way remotes, app system.
Like how sensitive?
Yeah, very, very sensitive. We have it on medium right now, but the customer does not want this to get stolen. Obviously, you know the caliber of truck it is. It's a really dope truck, very expensive. These are like super badass, these trucks. So we'll show you the full system once we're done. And what else? We did a bunch of stuff on this thing. I don't know. We'll tell you the full works, and we'll show you how much of an extent we went with the PPF on this thing. Like literally every single piece has been, like every single piece. But we even went as far as doing the friggin' hitch on the front, like it has PPF on.
Really? On the hitch?
On the hitch, bro. Again, it's all like water and stuff all over the truck because we gotta wash it. But bro, we'll show you like every single piece done. This Tesla Model X finally completed. You guys seen this thing while it was getting wrapped. We did a matte dark gray by Avery. The color is obviously very different. We haven't done this before. Usually we do like battleship gray, or we'll do like chalk gray, and we usually do gloss colors or satin. So it's the first time that we've actually done a matte color with this specific color, and it looks like primer. It's actually pretty dope. It looks like a battleship almost. The car came out really good because it was involved in an accident. Got done at another body shop. The rear bumper and trunk and stuff was all damaged. So they got it painted, and the car was satin black before. We were just supposed to replace the trunk and the back bumper, but the color was gonna be different because of how faded the rest of the car was. The customer, he barely cleans it. He's busy, he's a doctor, right? So I told the insurance company that it's not gonna match. Obviously, when you're painting a car, you can blend and like make things look good, but with wrap, you can't do that, you know what I mean? But yeah, you can even see like even all the trims were all faded. You can see all these little lines here. And
the tires too, right?
Yeah. But yeah, see these lines here and these little circles? It's from all the fading that was on the plastic. So we got this thing called back to black. We put it on there to just kind of make it look a little bit better than that, but I might put another layer or two on it just to bring some more black back into it. But I told him we're gonna replace these probably in the spring. So you'll see those will be new. Tires, yeah, tires were bald. He wanted to powder coat the rims again because they were all scratched up, chipped. And
center caps too.
Yeah, they were painted and the wheels were powder coated, and then we put brand new tires because the tires were all worn out. We even changed the headlight and fog light film.
Oh, like completely changed?
Yeah, it was all pitted and stuff from just regular driving. The front end was beat up. Like the whole car is beat up in general, because he does a lot of driving. So I couldn't leave that after a fresh wrap, right? So we changed that. We put the tinted film on the taillights too. But you can see now the wheels look nice and shiny. The whole car is kind of just like revived now. And something different.
This was the car we were taking the wrap off, right?
Yeah, so it was satin black. The trims, customer wanted to do the same color as the body. So instead of doing black, like how I had before, like the gloss black accents, we matched it with the actual body. But yeah, stuff like this Tesla's quality control is really crap. Brand new, obviously is horrible. This car has been in multiple accidents. It's been painted many different panels. Trims are not like going back. Like all this is like still like, you can't do anything about that. Like it's, unless you actually change it, but just right from brand new, a Tesla comes like that. You know what I mean? So there's only so much we can do on our end. We try to do the best we could with what we were working with. But I'm pretty happy with how the truck came out. It looks pretty good. We actually ceramic coated it as well, so now it's gonna be easier for him to clean. Porsche Panamera that's fully complete. We have the wheels that we powder coated in gloss black. We did gloss black center caps on it as well. They were silver. You can't powder coat anything that's plastic. It will melt in the oven, obviously. We actually got rid of all the chrome that was around the windows and the door handles as well.
Any other chrome?
So actually, you know what? It's not done yet. We're gonna deliver it today, but the badges are coming in. We ordered them from Porsche. The badges on the back here, for the Porsche here, the Panamera Turbo and S, is all going in gloss black from factory. We ordered them. So we got to remove those and install the other ones once they're in. It says about like 2 weeks back order, but sometimes it comes sooner. So once that's done, then the actual full blackout will be complete on it. We also tinted the car all the way around in 35%. What with a lighter tint? Yeah, it's a lighter tint. Usually we do a 15, so it's not too dark and not too light. But the thing is, when you have a bright interior like this, like it's almost like a grayish kind of beige. So it makes everything look lighter. So 35% would usually look a little bit darker if you had black interior, but it's still, completely see-through almost. But yeah, that's what we did so far on this. There might be some more to come. It's from one of our dealers, Humberview. They brought over the car to, get the stuff done. But the new customer is probably gonna bring it in to get some other stuff done too.
Is this brand new then?
It's about a year old.
Oh, okay.
It's a 2023. So for now, this is what the guy wanted to do. Possibly we'll be doing some other stuff on the car down the line, maybe space it out, do level links, make it even lower. We've already discussed some stuff, so we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But that's how that car looks, and stay tuned for more on that one. Guys, we got my E30 here. Project that I really want to start for some time, but I might be selling the car because I have too many cars right now. They're just taking up so much space, and I have other projects that I want to finish before hopping into an E30 project. But we'll see. We're gonna polish it out, get it ready for resale just in case. But yeah, so the paint, as you see, it's kind of dulled out. It's been sitting outside for almost 2 years. The car is all factory original. It was a one owner car before. Yeah, we have backup parts for the car. It has about 190,000 original kilometers, and it has every single service record from BMW of Sudbury. Yeah, bro, the guy was a doctor that we bought it from, and he just loved this car. I guess it was one of his first cars back in the days, and he kept it for a very long time. So even when I picked up the car, driving to Sudbury, he's like, listen, like if you're serious, I'll go and get the car serviced again. I'm like, no, you don't have to do any of that. You know what I mean? And he was adamant on doing it. So I already knew what kind of guy I was dealing with. So when I got there, he gave me a full booklet from 1987 or 1988, whatever the year the car is, a booklet from BMW of Sudbury with every single service record. Like when I mean the service advisors there said, hey, you got to do like a coolant flush, a brake line flush. He did it every single time. Yeah, and I think the sticker is still here. Let's see. Yeah, right here. If you look right before I picked it up, he got it serviced right here in BMW of Sudbury. He got the oil change even done from the dealer. Got it fully serviced. He did the full 30-point inspection. Yeah, he did the full inspection, pre-inspection for a safety. Like he went to that extent.
And then wait, you drive this all the way?
I drove from here to Sudbury. I drove this from Sudbury all the way back. Bro, it drove like a dream.
Really?
Like no bogging issues. Me and Harv went, and like we honestly, I was tripping out. No, it's 5 hours plus, you know what I mean? But it was beautiful. We're driving through all these big rocky mountain areas. Like, it was pretty cool. The car, I was beyond impressed with how smooth it drove. It drives like a brand new car. Like the guy said, everything was serviced from, it's auto. So that's the only thing. So if I was to keep it, if it was manual, I definitely would not sell it. But regardless, with us doing the build, we would do a manual swap. It just would be nice to have a VIN that matches a manual car. You know what I mean? So let's see. The car, again, is very hard to find an E30 right now this clean. Like there's literally no rust. Everything is all original metal. The top was changed because I guess it was old, so they put a new top.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's the one thing that kind of lost.
Small things here, I gotta probably just trim. I don't know what that is, but yeah, again, the car's been sitting for 2 years at the shop, in my old shop, and then here. I drove it like, I think 3-4 times so far. That's it. But yeah, we just washed it, deconned it. I think you clayed it already, right, Harv? So clay, and then we're gonna do like a 3-step polish on it. Just make the red pop again. If we are selling it, make it look even fresher than it already is. But this thing is mint, bro. Like there's nothing wrong with this car at all. We also just did brake lines and gas lines on it. Yeah, full tune-up just to get it like fully ready, because the brake lines had a small leak in one of them. We could have just did a temporary fix, but I was like, you know what, let's just change them out. And the car's been undercoated every single year since ownership, but that small area where it was exposed, I guess it's like closer to where the caliper is, it rusted out there, so I just changed it all. So we did that. So whoever does buy this car, if I do end up selling it, is gonna get like a pristine. Yeah. Y'all ain't ready for let's go.
You know what? He owed me a 10-second car.
God damn.
He gave me an 8-second one. So that's why I gave him 10 seconds of advertising on the best advertising network in Canada, Ungly Technologies, baby.
Crystal glass. Where's the automotive?
Yo, it slaps. I got the same one.
I've been eating for over 30 hours. You're on the logo. Guys, Automotion sponsor Unified UFC Fight Pass. You know how we do it. It's Automotion or nothing. Keep liking, keep subscribing. Let's get it, baby.